Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, what I want to show you is how to get all set to continue your row. For those who did not add an accessory, you are currently coming out of this bead here, and those who did add an accessory are currently coming out of this bead here. So if you did not add an accessory, your string is coming out this way, so you're going to want to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 of the beads you have put on already to get yourself at the bottom of your circle so that you can continue your row. So let's go through 4 beads. So our string is coming out this side. We're going to go through 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then if we look at our pattern, we see that we should be coming out the bottom high, which is our green, and we are coming out the bottom high, so that we are in place to continue our row. And for this one, we are here already, so we only need to go through 1, 2, 3 beads to get to the same place. So let's go. Our string is coming out on this side, so we are going to go through 1, 2, 3. And again, we check our pattern, and our string should be coming out the bottom high, and there it is, coming out the bottom high. And now we are ready to continue our row in the next video.